In this video, we'll show you how to analyze your machines in Class Connect. Access the analysis overview of your fleet. Choose a machine to view basic performance or explore detailed data for deeper insights. Select a machine. Choose your time period. You can have the possibility to display the engine off time and to have advanced information. Looking at more detailed analysis such as activity, processing time, fuel consumption, or yield quantity. Within the analysis section, you can also compare machines from the same type. Select the machines you want to compare. Select your time period. Here, you also have the possibility to display engine off or not, and also to choose processing time or transport turning, for example. Find out performance analysis information and detailed information between the machines you choose. The Analysis tab lets you create 3 types of reports to help you optimize machine performance after each campaign. You can always start by creating a report with the Create Report button. You can choose the option to create a report for a period of time. Select your date. Select your machine. You can select several machines if you want. Give your report a name. Select all the data you want to have in your report. Go to My Reports. Within the Campaign Reports section, you have all your reports created and the option to have it in PDF or in Excel, and to delete your report anytime you want. In the Campaign Report, we can see all machines added for the selected time period. In the Whole Fleet section, we see the operating time analysis of all our machines. Let's focus for now on the combine harvesters. Here we can see the overall performance of our fleet for the selected time period, as well as a detailed breakdown of their operating times. Further down will give us more details, including for the crop. You can also choose to create a recurring daily report. Select the time when you want to receive your report. Select your machine. Give your report a name. And select your format between PDF or Excel. Select all the data you want to have within your reports. And select the person that you want to receive the report every day. Go to My Reports within the Daily Reports section. You have the possibility to activate or deactivate your report anytime you want, and the option to delete it. Then, the third option is to create a raw data export, which is a CSV export of all track data. The analysis section provides a clear summary of all your machine performances, structured to help you optimize your field operations at a glance, before, during, and after each campaign.